Hi. So sometimes when you go on the Yanakier strip, you might find some kangaroo carcasses. And sometimes you might not find the head because we actually pick them up because we like to take a look at the skull and try to estimate the age of the individual. And it's pretty easy to do so. So let me show you. So if you take a look at the upper jaw of the individual, you'll see that there's different teeth here. So you have one premolar and then four molars. So the way we measure the molar index, we actually look at the number of molars that have gone past the eye socket or past the orbit. And this is because there's a molar progression happening here where the individuals, since they're herbivores and they eat lots of grass all day for many years, their teeth will move forward over time. And for older individuals, the teeth will have gone further than for younger individuals. So here, if we take a look at this skull, you can see that there's 1, 2, 3, and 3.2 molars that have gone past the eye socket or the orbit. And this tells us that the molar index for this individual in particular would be 3.2. Now, as kangaroos grow older, there's that dimorphism that gets into play, which means males are much bigger than females. So then, to know if it's a male or a female skull, you have to look at the basal length of the skull, which is from the beginning of the spine, right here, all the way to the front of the jaw. And then for the males, you'll see that the basal length for one molar index will be much higher than for a female. So if the basal length for a male is higher than the threshold, that means that it's a male. And if the basal length is smaller, that means it's a female.